Hello everyone, this is the first part of the video tutorial how to crochet a dress. In this video, I'll show you how to work the first 6 rounds of the pattern. Complete details about this project are available at internet.com/crochetdress. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Begin crocheting from the top to bottom. Make a foundation chain of 141 chains or multiples of 7 chains plus 1 additional chain. Join it into a ring with a slip stitch. First round, chain 5, then skip 5. Work 2 slip stitches. And then just repeat. Chain 5, skip 5, 2 slip stitches to end of the round. At the end of the first round, skip 5 and then slip stitch 2. Second round, work 3 slip stitches. Then chain 3. After that, work 2 double crochets. Then skip 2 slip stitches of the previous round, and above 5 chains work 2 double crochets with stitch 2 double crochets. 2 double crochets. With stitch double crochet 1, 2 chains, double crochet 1 into the same base chain, and again 2 double crochets. Then work double crochet 2 with stitch double crochet 2 above each 5 chains. So again skip 2 slip stitches and again work 2 double crochets. V-stitch, and 2 double crochets. That way, continue to end of the round. Above next 5 chains again work double crochet 2 with stitch double crochet 2. At the end of the second round, skip 2 and work 2 double crochets and then finish the V-stitch. Double crochet 1 and half double crochet into the third chain. Then attach the yarn and now work with the white yarn. So chain 3, now reuse the same chain and work double crochet 1 into the following chain work 2 double crochets and then again skip 2 chains, work increase 2 double crochets into 1 chain and then double crochet 1 V-stitch into V-stitch and again double crochet 1 increase. And then just repeat again. Skip 2 chains, increase, double crochet 1 V-stitch into V-stitch, double crochet 1 increase. Skip 2 increase and so on. At the end of the third round, finish the V-stitch double crochet 1 and half double crochet into the third chain. Then again chain 3 Reuse the same chain, work double crochet 1, two more double crochets, skip 2 and work again double crochet 3, V-stitch into V-stitch, and again double crochet 3. After that, just repeat again, skip 2, double crochet 3 V-stitch onto V-stitch, and again double crochet 3 to end. At the end of the fourth round, finish the V-stitch, double crochet 1 and half double crochet into the third chain. But now begin to work with the black yarn. And the following 3 rounds work like your fourth round. So again, chain 3, reuse the same chain, double crochet 3, after the double crochet 3, skip 2, and again work double crochet 3, V-stitch into V-stitch, double crochet 3 to enter the round. In the second part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to join front and back parts together, finish the body and crochet sleeves.